Blessed Sunday afternoon, guys. How is everyone doing today? Rock and come in, people. Hope you guys had a blessed so day today, people. When you see the video with the pastor and the woman in the church, Jaja, Mr. People, what a situation, like and share. Me come to talk about it, people, because this video went viral on social media, people. Pastor and church sister kick off. Wicked, 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 wicked. Over money. Mr. People, the pastor take it to the church member and give it to our people. I said to myself, say, boy, that was very unprofessional. That's why you see sometimes now, some people don't want to go church. Yeah, man. Some people don't really want to go church because you are going to know. The people them in the church are behave worse than the sinner them they are road in a real life. You see me? Now, guys, I do not know the reason why they really get upset, but some money argument and thing, you see me? And she have some issues with the pastor. And you can see it, so she bring her frustration and she burn a fire upon the pastor. Wicked. Because when I see the pastor chuck her, I say, nah man, who does that? No man of God now do them thing there. You see me? No man of God now do them thing there. Because once you have God in your heart, certain thing you not gonna do, you not gonna pass certain boundary. So I see that I go on and I say, nah man, this not look good. This not look good for your pastor. Attack a woman. You see me? If the woman is upset and thing, you try and calm her down. You see me? Try and calm her down and get the best out of her. Because sometimes when you upset, you know, we get out of control and we do some things and we done. We say, boy, oh boy, if me didn't know more do this. You see me? So it's a situation in which the pastor should have deal with it more professional. And for the person who have video it, it's not a good look. You see me? I understand they go up on social media and of course the church will look bad, the pastor will get exposed, but no video it. It's better you come between the two of them and tell them to stop. Me some people in the background tell them to stop, you know. You see me? Because one at a time, they see a mash shade pan grown people. Me see the lady grab up on the machete, you know, and about to wheel it off, you know, and a woman say, leave the machete alone, people. You see me? So I make you know, say, you a serious thing going to church. Church is not where you just be like one time. You see me? It's not where you just be like one time. Big up to the pastor them out there where you're real. And you know, say, yo, certain thing now happen in your church and certain thing you got burn out. You see me? Because when I see the video, people, I say to myself, say, no, sir. This a foolish. Is that the pastor some demon are sitting in him? Yeah, man, something in the man push on the woman on the ground and they over me. I said, no, sir. No. You make church people look bad. Big up to all the real Christian out there, you know, say, yo, you do the right thing. And you're not indulging in certain things. Because sometimes people, you see, money is the root of all evil. And some of them pastor here, them run them church based off of money. Yeah, man. Some of them know so the church so them weak to them. So them suck out them eye, bleed them pocket. Bleed them pocket. Right about now, some churches that right now that them have to pay a pardon of the church. Every week, every fortnight, every month, them have to put on a piece of portion of money in an envelope and get the pastor. But guys, trust me. Jamaica gone, the world gone. No love in the church again like one time. No love in the church. Some of them pastor, yeah, them go there for the church sister. Some of them pastor, yeah, them go there for make a profit. You see me? Some of them go there for make a build a house, buy them car. You see me? And alright. Why the church sister them I give beer money and them broke and have nothing at all. You see me? Right about now, people. This video just a show up Wagwan in a Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, man, I appreciate the fact where the pastor I push badness regarding the woman. And I say, yo, as she started first. As a man of God, my youth, you forget burn out for that. And I say you do things. Because you are going on. If that church lady they have some son in the church, you see me? And the man them decide, say, yo, with that church and a church, may I give it to you. What would you say? It will be a different scenario. But somehow, no, when I go to church, when I'm bad in a church, I'm bad in a real life. That's what me know. When I'm bad in a church, I'm bad in a real life. Somehow now coward. Somehow now have woman strength. Yeah, man, I don't have woman strength. We don't support them foolish people. Because for your pastor, you should shame of yourself. Trust me. You should shame of yourself. No, the lady wrong to come close to you and in your face, you know, because you're upset. But you as a pastor, and you can see to the lady that burn some fire and I say, yo, them nah go and go to the church. And she could have donated some money to them, but no. It's like she not trust the pastor and want to go on. But you know, so that church will probably not be a mix-up people. You see me? You can know in yourself, say, yo, it's like a mix-up church. Because it's not everywhere at all a church. You have many churches, but different, and we have different belief. But some of them corrupt. Some of them is all about the money. If you don't give them the money, them not deal with your good. And some of the church sister, them need to wise up. Only need to wise up and be a different person. Because someone go to church and when I bow down to the pastor, them, if the pastor say, yo, bring 10,000 come for healing, when you get 10,000 and give the pastor. You see me? But if somebody at the road need it, only not give them, but you can give the pastor, make the pastor richer, make the pastor and him family them richer, and them can buy the biggest vehicle, the biggest house, and laugh for uno. We give them the money. But if we not use the money and invest on the family and do better things, some of them life for the better. Some of them churches, there people, them money, you know, them last money and give it to the pastor. Just to get some blessings. No, but and the money the things. Money is the root of all evil. It's better you pray to Father God and say, Father God, provide money for me, genuine, rather than you I give pastor money if you make him pray if you do all kind of things. It don't make no sense. You see me? Because some of them pastor, them pray and I mean nothing at all to you. It's just a waste of time. And David my pray too. Because you can't tell me say a church member come up in your face and talk to you and you don't know if you resolve that. You have to use the aggressiveness and violence. And you don't think people must see this. You see me? You don't think people must know this. Bet me people. Bet say this happen in more than one congregation in a Jamaica. More than one church. Keep up them thing here. Yeah man. Them not have no love in them heart. Them treat them brother and sister bad. Them come to church and look man, wife, you know. Yeah man, and yeah man. Enough for them things are going to church people. Church is not where you usually be before. That's why some people never go to church because they know for themselves. Once certain thing happen, they might get blame too. Because once the church are in the all kind of nastiness, other people are going to get drawn in it. You see me? But guys, it don't look good, trust me. It don't look good. And when real pastor are going in a life right about no people, we start to do ourselves say, boy, yeah boy, look how Father God is near. And look how some of them people on social media are in the church that say waste them time. Look how the pastor waste him time. Look how the pastor could have did the thing a bit better rather than make somebody video it. Could have did the thing more better than that man. Talk to the lady man and tell her say you're sorry for any little thing rather than use violence. It not worth it. And the question people, what cultures are doing in a church? What machete are doing in a church? I want to do massacre? No sir people. The thing look away right about now people. It look away. And people, I tell you now, even though they really shouldn't have video, she should help them. If this video never got viral and things on social media, people wouldn't know what I go on at church now people. And nothing I go on at church now. You see me? And trust me people, you have some good pastors out there. You have some good church members who go to church. I know them things liar, them in certain things, them very, very calm. But trust me, the pastor have an issue. The pastor have a serious issue. And it need to be dealt with because when you look at how I did the lady, I say, nah man, look how the big man I did the lady. No respect, no manners. And I say you did people, brother. And I say you did people. And if you hear the pastor, you stay so, just imagine the congregation. Just imagine the one where you're corrupt. See me, the woman said she not give them money. She could have given money, but she not give because she not move right. And finally, if you burn over your place. Yeah man, people burn for your part, you're true the woman attack man. But you're shame. You're true. Someone not move right. Someone is shaking in a church. Someone not go to church to make profit. You see me, only not go to church for seat in the soul. When you go to church for just dig out some of the iron thing. Yeah man. So guys, bless upon yourself, yeah man. We say what a video sweet. But at any idea still, goodness must prevail. I'm out.